They are resting under the acacia, near grid reference 4.
Copy that. Updating the tracker now.
Okay, gently now, push. Easy, easy. Keep it steady.
Vitals look strong. Hydration is steady at 95%.
Thermal scan confirms optimal temperature regulation. He looks very healthy.
Agreed. Finalizing certification.
Check the thickness variation on the 5th hide.
The heat map shows a consistent grade, but let's rescan the edges for irregularities.
The rotation speed is consistent with the projected data.
Yes, and the temperature is holding steady. We can proceed.
All indicators are green across the board.
Good.
Log the data and initiate the cooldown sequence.
All biosafety protocols are confirmed.
And the wildlife documents match the registry.
Verified.
Levels spiking on B station.
I see the amber alert. Double check the containment field.
Look here, the pH level is slightly elevated on the main tank. I see it. Adjust the input valve by 5%. We've got a fluctuation on the flow rate. Adjusting the pressure now. We have a slight variation on the thickness map here.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now to compensate.
Stainless steel rollers gently stretch and flex the hides as they pass through an automated softening line. Robotic
The 3D models confirm the liming process significantly improved the softness.
Yes, and the fiber openness is exactly what we aimed for.
Check the flow rate on drum 3. It's stabilizing now.
Confirmed. Levels look good.
The levels are decreasing exactly as projected for this stage. Good. Let's maintain the pressure for another cycle. That's exactly what we wanted to see. The fiber rebound is much better.
Agreed. The new tanning process is working.
Large staking machines gently flex and stretch the hides repeatedly to enhance softness.
Check this batch number right here. It matches the order.
It's reading 1.2 millimeters exactly. Good. The calibration is holding.
All parameters passed the automated sequence. Logging the results now. Technician adds metallic serial number plates, QR authenticity stickers, and embossed certificates into each package. Digital screen